Hey guys, this video was just a random video which says Happy Chinese New Year! I hope you have a great day and stay tuned for a Crazy Aaron's Putty review and a Shopkins magazine opening and also a Shopkins blind basket, I think. So yeah, stay tuned for that on Chinese New Year. I hope you guys enjoy this little Chinese New Year greeting or something like that. And yeah, see you guys another time soon. And here are a few Chinese cards that you can, I don't know, print out. I'm just gonna pop it up right now. So yeah, see you guys later.